convert 1 in 500 into a percentage concentration. So 1 in 5 equal to, you need to divide it, both of them by 5. Divided both of them by 5, it's 0.2 in 100. So, and then you will times 100, and then you will get 0.2 percentage. So convert 0.2 percentage of weight in volume into a ratio concentration. So if you check the volume in weight in volume, so weight in volume, 1 gram in 100 milliliter, 1 gram 100 milliliter. So gram, so weight in volume is gram in 100 milliliters. So 0.2 in 100 milliliters. So we are just going to get rid of the 0.2. So you will get, you need to multiply by 5, multiply by 5. So 1 gram in, so 1 gram in 5 milliliters, or 1 in 500. Here you have 25 grams in 100 milliliter. So the ratio is 20 in 100. How many milligrams of potassium permanganate are there in 5 milliliter of with the concentration of 0.04 percentage of the weight in volume? So concentration is 0.4 in 100 milliliter, gram in a milliliter. How many milligrams, not grams? First of all, I'm just going to calculate with the grams, and then I will convert it to the milligrams. 5 milliliter, if you have 5 milliliter of this concentration, so how many grams are in this solution? We have 500 times 0.04 divided by 100. So you can cross the 0, and then or 0.2. That's the answer in grams. How many milligrams? So you need to times this by 1000. So now you got 200 milligrams. So the answer is 200 milligrams. In this case, how many grams? So the question is asking about grams. Grams of potassium permanganate are there in 20 liters with the concentration of 0.002. So concentration is 0.002 in 100 milliliter. Now I just want to convert milliliter into liters. So if you have 100 of milliliter, it's equal to 1.2 liter. So now I'm just writing 0.002 grams in 1 liter, 0.1 liter. But the question gave us 20 liter. So instead I will put 20 liter. So how many grams are there in 20 liters? So times 20 liters times 0.002 divided by 0.1. I can just move these points to here and then cross with this. So now 20 times 0.02, and again I can cross 1 0 with 1 0, and then 2 times 0.2, and then the answer is 0.4 grams in 20 liters. Also, for answering this question, you can write 20 times 1, 2, 3, 2 to the power of minus 3. Here is 10 to the power of minus 1. So one of these will cross, and then 20 times 10 to the power of minus 2. So one of them, or you can write it 2 to the power of 1 to the power of minus 2. It's equal to 2 power of minus 1 times to the power of minus 1, and then 0. So your answer would be 4 as well. If mass, a relative molecular mass is 50 and the solution concentration is 0.02 mole in 1000 milliliter. You want to convert this percentage is gram in 100 milliliter. So 1 mole has gram of 50 grams. And if we have 0.02 moles, if we have 0.02 mole, how much is the weight of this amount of mole? So 50 times 0.02 divided by 1 equal to 1 0 with 1 0 gone. So 5 times 0.2, it's equal to 1. So 1 gram, it's equal to 0.02 mole. Now we want to convert in 1000 of milliliter, we have 1 gram. If I want to divide this by 10 and denominator divided by 10, we will get 0.1 in 100. So if we times 100 to get a percentage, so I will get 0.1 percentage. That's the answer. Relative molecular mass of a drug is 20. The concentration of this solution with this medication is 0.5 mole in 1000 milliliter. So now we want to get the ratio. Ratio is gram in volume of milliliter. Yeah, so we need to, first of all, if we have 1 mole of this drug, it's equal to 20 gram. It's equal to 20 gram. So if we have 0.05 mole, how much gram is this amount of mole? So you will times 20 times 0.05 divided by 1 equal to, I'm just cross 1 with this, because this one is 2 times 10 and it's 0.5 times 10 to the power of minus. That's why I just crossed this one. So then 2 times 0.5 equal to 1 gram. So we have 1 gram in 1000 milliliter. If I divide denominator by 10 and also numerator by 10, I'll get 0.1 in 100. That would be percentage, to be honest. So if I 0.1 to the 0.1 divided by 100, so I will get the percentage, so 0.1 percentage. But the question is the ratio. Ratio is 1 in 1000. So the answer is 1 in 1000. Sorry. So we need to convert the gram to mole. So if we have a drug with the relative molecular mass of 50 and the concentration ratio is 1 in 100, 1 gram in 100 milliliter, and then if I times this one by 10 and this one by 10, so we'll get 10 in 1000 milliliter. So the molar concentration, it's something like m, a number next to the m. So it means that moles in 1000 milliliters. So that's why here I just want to find 1000 milliliter. Now that's a gram. So 1 mole of this drug, it's equal to 50 gram. So if we have 10 grams, how many mole that would be? So 10 times 1 mole divided by 50, 0.2. So that's the mole. So instead of the gram, I'm going to put 0.2. So in here you get 0.2 m. So the answer is convert this to molar concentration. That's the molar concentration.